Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to check the battery health on this laptop. So to do that, open the start menu and search for the CMD application, run it as administrator, click yes, and then in the following field input, let me show it closer to you, power CFG spacebar / battery report. Okay, I get it. It's hard to see right now, so input this command, press enter, and then what you have to do is select this path and right click to copy it. Then you can close this window, open either your file explorer or a web browser, and into the search field input this path, press enter, and you will open the battery report page. Now we have a lot of information about the battery on this page, and a lot of it you can find useful. For example, the battery usage routine, the graphs of battery usage, and basically all the information you need to know about your computer. But the very main thing that we're looking for is the difference between design capacity and the full charge capacity. So the design capacity is the original capacity of your battery, so it's the amount of power it could maintain when it was shipped to you, and this is the current capacity of your laptop. So as you can see, this number has already gone lower than this one, and that means that this laptop has been used and the battery simply worn out a little. And at some point, when you feel uncomfortable, when this number goes very low to the point where you feel uncomfortable with using your PC, then you simply have to bring your laptop to the repair service, maybe to the ASUS repair service, and just have them replace your battery, and that's it. So that's basically how you check your battery health. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.